Good morning, baby. Why are you doing so cute? Huh? What do you want? Oh. What is it that you want? Tell me. You want a treat? Oh. What do you want, baby? What are you doing? Baby? What do you want? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're doing cute for treat. Oh, look at you. You know what your treat is. You're asking to eat treat. You cannot eat too much treat, Babu. Oh, baby, if you eat too much treat, you also vomit. Mumun is doing extra cute because he wants to eat treat. He's asking to eat for treat. A good boy. Okay, I'm gonna give you just 2 pieces of treat, okay? Okay, Papa? Just 2 pieces of treat is okay? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, my baby. Oh, you kaboom! He falls down on the ground. Every time he does that, I tend to say kaboom, and then he knows that he's falling. Yeah, you good boy. Okay, wait. Let me get you some treat. Wait. Good boy. I'm just gonna give you 2 pieces, okay, Babu? Yeah? Just 2 pieces, okay? Come. Here. Here. Good boy. Good job. Here. Good boy. Finish, Baba. Finished. Finish, okay, Mama? It's so cute. Maman. Pusha. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Good boy. Hey. You're so cute. You're so cute, Mama. Mama, you're a good boy. You're a cute boy. No. No more treat. No more treat. So adorable. You're so adorable. You're so adorable. Yeah. What are you sniffing there? Huh? So cute.